Imagine being mid-flight and a part of your plane decides to take a solo journey. That's exactly what happened on Alaska Airlines Flight 1282 when a component from the Boeing 737 MAX 9 decided to make a grand exit. Now, Boeing, with a hint of embarrassment, is extending an open invitation to airlines to visit its factories. This unexpected hospitality comes as a response to the falling parts fiasco. The aim? To amp up quality control and ensure that no other plane decides to shed a piece mid-air. Stan Deal, the CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes, has acknowledged the need for improvement. It's like saying, yes, we goofed up, but we're going to make it right. So what's next? A series of extra inspections on the 737 production line and a VIP pass to Boeing factories for airlines. Plus, Alaska Airlines is rolling up its sleeves to enhance its own quality oversight. The National Transportation Safety Board is also investigating the incident, making sure all pieces of the puzzle fit together. Here's hoping the only thing that falls during your next flight is your jaw, in awe of the view from your window seat.